Investigating catnip's magical benefits on our feline buddies. Cats' responses to catnip may be fascinating and entertaining, as anyone who has seen one can attest. The mysterious effects of catnip on our feline friends cause that peculiar behavior, a mix of eagerness and rest. The herbaceous plant Nepetalactone, also referred to as catnip, is a member of the Lamiaceae family of mints. Catnip is a plant that is native to Europe and Asia. It has long been prized for its special ability to interact with cats, causing a variety of amusing behaviors that can amuse both cat owners and onlookers. The magic of the catnip experience. Nepetolactone, a substance present in the leaves, stems, and seeds of the plant, is thought to be responsible for catnip's alluring effects on felines. Nepetolactone interacts with cats' olfactory systems when they engage with catnip, whether by sniffing, licking, or rubbing. This results in a range of behaviors in cats, from lively to calm. Catnip does not affect all cats. It is thought that between 50 and 75% of cats react to it, and the response is frequently inherited. The playful euphoria, cats' reaction to catnip. The effects are clear for cats who are susceptible to catnip's appeal. When exposed, cats frequently display a number of actions that owners and others may find humorous and endearing. The initial reaction usually entails sniffing, stroking, and even rolling in the catnip. Cats may nuzzle, gnaw, or paw at the plant, causing it to release additional nepetolactone molecules. Many cats experience a playful frenzy after coming into contact with catnip. They might zoom around, pounce on fictitious prey, and participate in impromptu gymnastics. Their natural hunting instincts can be imitated by this energetic behavior. Unexpectedly, cats can experience a sensation of calmness when exposed to catnip. Some cats could become more calm and quiet after the initial excitement. They might recline, purr, or even rest. Individual variability. It's important to keep in mind that different cats react differently. Some may respond more strongly to the effects of catnip, while others may simply exhibit a little curiosity or perhaps no response. The behavior's scientific basis. Although the effects of catnip on cats are not entirely understood, it is thought that they are connected to how nepetolactone interacts with the feline brain. Nepetolactone binds to receptors in the nasal tissue of cats, stimulating sensory neurons that have an impact on behavior. The many responses we experience are the result of the brain's reaction to these inputs. Limitations and safety. Thankfully, catnip is typically regarded as safe for cats. Catnip usually causes euphoria and excitement, which subside within 15 to 30 minutes. Catnip can be a wonderful type of enrichment for your cat, offering both cerebral and physical excitement. Yet moderation is essential. A cat's sensitivity to catnip may decline as a result of prolonged exposure, making the feline less receptive to the herb's benefits. Catnip's playful charm. Catnip brings an additional dimension of magic to the realm of feline friendship. The effects of catnip on cats continue to fascinate and excite cat owners and researchers alike, from their humorous antics to their fleeting moments of peaceful joy. Although we may not fully understand the mechanisms underlying catnip's effects, it is evident that it may make our cherished dogs happy and amused. The next time you sprinkle some catnip on your pet, Watch them go on their own enchanted adventure of playfulness and relaxation.